a million things to do, but I'm here while you're...
Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be doing a test drive on a 1977 Z28 Camaro. This one here has a ZZ3 350 under the hood with aluminum heads. It's also got the power steering setup. Looking around under the hood, nice and quiet. We're gonna be taking her down the road, pointing out any kind of flaws so you know what you're buying before you get here. I have detailed pictures at maplemotors.com. I want you to go check those out. Watch both videos. This is the test drive. The next video is going to be a walk around, getting up close and personal with all the corners of the car. If you need help getting financed, we have that available. We have 3 companies you can go through at maplemotors.com, along with shipping information. There's a link on there for that. You can see all of our inventory. We update every week with new cars on Monday. We just do that every Monday, make it easy for everybody. If you like the music, hit subscribe. That's me in my van. And of course, you can go on over to Southgate Production YouTube channel here and follow us. So please do that. I'll put a link at the end of this video, along with all the other links that you need to know more about this car. Okay, it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Oh my, an annoying buzzer. The buzzer works, car starts up good. The seat needs to be replaced over here. Driver's seat's not as bad, but it's still got some tears in it. The door panels got some marks on them. Not in perfect shape. The dash pad's a little bit warped. Gauge wise, tip gauge is way off. Yeah, when it was cold, it was like that. Let's see, is it clockwork? No. Tach works. Show you the mileage. Definitely gonna have to stop and get gas. And it looks like the alternator gauge is working. Wipers work. Blower motor. AC does not work. Heater. Oh yeah, that's hot. We're cutting that off. What about the horn? Let me place your bets you think the horn works. We do have the face of the radio in the office. Checking over the console. Pretty clean. It's in good shape. Looking over the door here. Does have some scuffs. A little bit of damage to the middle. Somebody added a sunroof up in this thing. Headliner's a bit saggy in the corners. Okay, let's try that horn. The horn works. Let's hit the road. Okay, let's get y'all set up a little bit better here. I'm gonna roll down the window, because today it creeped up on the weather. You can say we're gonna head on over to the gas station. Anything I see that's wrong, I will let you know. That's why I make these videos. Speedometer is coming up on the dash. Steering's nice and tight. As soon as I turn, it turns. Car's got a nice motor in it. Sounded like a shift kit. Kick down is hooked up. Feels good. Brakes, good shape. They are pulling a little bit to the right. Try them again. Yeah, just ever so slightly to the right there. Turn signals. Both of them are popping up on the dash. You can hear both of them. Them V6s are getting louder and louder. Sweet. So far so good. Everything's been working except for the temp gauge. I'd have to replace that. That's just something I like to keep in my car so I know, you know, exactly what the temperature is. This one's running nice and cool. I've done checked it. I usually set them out in the lot like right before I do the videos, and I'll let them run for 15-20 minutes solid, and then go out and check everything. And that's just something new that I started doing with the videos. Make sure we don't have any overheating issues or anything like that. Get it taken care of before I even start. We're pulling in the gas station here. I'm dead on E, so we're going to try to put about $20 worth of fuel in this car. Check that gas gauge out and see if it works. Keep in mind, guys, we just buy and sell these cars. So like if something like the gas gauge doesn't work, or like this temp gauge doesn't work, we tell you about it, let you know what it needs, and if you're not happy with it, I'm sorry. We just buy and sell here, we don't repair. Let's get some gas. All right, guys, up here at the gas station, we're gonna put about $20 worth of fuel in this car. And we'll check that gas gauge out and I'll let you know if it works. You actually put it in right here behind the tag. And always run premium, so we'll check that gauge out and see if it's working. Okay. We got the fuel. We got some gas and the gauge works. Now let's keep this rolling. That sun is bright today, guys. Hope it ain't messing up the film too much. Okay, we're gonna roll out of here. Everything seems nice and tight. Motor's still cool. And we're just before rush hour, so maybe we can get out on the road here without getting blocked. here easily spins the tires. When I was coming by the camera there, I just given it a little bit more than half throttle and it was kicking the tires out when I passed the camera. Throttle response is quick and accurate. Speedometer's not accurate. We're doing about 45. It says we're doing 60. The motor's tight. Feels good. We're gonna take a right on this road right here. Give her a little blast and we're right around the corner from the car lot. Do a manual shift. Feels good. Shifted really smooth. No problems kicking the tires. If I would have floored it, it would have definitely done a lot more. But I try to keep it in control here. Don't want to burn all the tread off, you know. I feel like I'm getting caught at this light every video here lately. Oh yeah. Just past the car lot, we're cruising by Brian, see if he's got anything cool outside. He's always down here customizing cars, interiors, stereo systems, trucks, new model stuff, old school stuff. So if you buy a car from us and you want wheels, tires, interior done like this one, he can hook you up and get all this stuff repaired before he ships it out to you. So check them out, briansmotorsports.com. Well worth the look. Alright, we made it back to the car lot now. I hope y'all enjoyed this test drive. If you did, hit that subscribe button and help me out by sharing and liking this video. We're gonna go ahead and pull back into the car lot here and grab us another car. Thanks for riding with me, guys. First off, I want to thank you for riding along with me. If you have any questions, give us a call, 615-822-4444. I do have detailed pictures. I do have financing information. I also can ship this car to your front door. You're gonna have to go on over to my main website, that's maplemotors.com. You can see our cars. We update every week, every Monday with new inventory. And we also have 2 videos provided for every car that comes in. One's a walk around and one's a test drive. If you like the music, jump on over to my band page. It's here on YouTube, Southgate Production. I'll put a link at the end, as well as all those links that you would need to know more about this car. Thanks for watching, guys.